Right, let's look at making equivalent fractions. So what is an equivalent fraction? It's something that is equal to something else that's written slightly differently. These equal signs here mean that on each side they are actually equal, even though the denominators are different. So let me show you why they're equal. If we do, we've got to look at how did 2 become 6 over there. How did 2 become 6? What do you have to do to 2 to make it 6? You have to times it by 3. And the rule here is what you do to the denominator, you have to also do to the numerator. So we times 2 by 3, it became 6. Now we have to do the same to the top. Times 1 by 3, and it'll become 3. So actually what you have here is 1/2 is equal to 3 sixes. And it's true, because if we were to cut a pizza into 6 pieces and you ate 3, it would be exactly the same as if you cut a pizza into 2 pieces and you only ate 1. The same pizza. So it's exactly the same size. It's just cut into more slices. Okay, so I hope you understand that better now. Let's do the first one again, just as a revision. So for half to become something over 6, we have to look at what happened to 2. 2 was times by 3. And because we times the bottom by 3, we have to times the top by 3. And that becomes 3 over 6. Let's look at the next one. How did 3 become 9? We had to times it by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And because we did it to the bottom, we're also going to do it to the top. So 3/9 is the same as 1/3. Let's look at the next one. How did 4 become 12? 4 times 3 as well. We know our times tables, don't we? And we do the same to the top. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so you can see 1/2 is the same as 3 sixes. It's equivalent. Equivalent means there's an equal sign. They are the same. 1/3 is the same as 3/9, and 2/4 is the same as 6/12. Okay, let's look at another lot. Wow, what do we have here? We have 8 becomes 16. So 8 times 2 became 16. So we're going to do the same at the top. That becomes 10 over 16. 9 times what to get to 27? 9 times 3. Do the same at the top. That becomes 9. 5 times what to 25 times what to get to 50? You might not know that, but 25 times 2, because 25 plus 25 is 50. Now we do the same to the top. 5 times 2. There we go. Okay, so 5/8 is the same as 10/16. 3/9 is the same as 9/27. 5/25 is the same as 10/50. Okay, now on the next page, you are actually going to do these. You're going to press pause, copy them down on a piece of paper at home, attempt them. Hopefully you get them right. We learn from our mistakes in maths, so don't worry if you get them wrong. Press play when you finish and you'll come and see how they're done. Okay, so I'll see you just now. Okay, so you're back. How did 4 become 20? We times it by 5. So we do the same at the top. 3 times 5 is 15. Next one. 10 to become 30, we had to times by 3. Do the same at the top. 15. Next one. 12 to become 24, we had to times by 2. Do the same at the top. 16. So we can see here that 3/4 is the same as 15/20. 5/10 is the same as 15/30. 8/12 is the same as 16/24. Now you understand how to make equivalent fractions. Well done. We'll move on to reducing fractions next.